Breaking news. Boost your videos in these timings. Attention Facebook users, if you're struggling with low reach and engagement, we have some breaking news. The secret to gaining more views and going viral is all about timing. According to experts, the best times to post on Facebook are morning rush. 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. people check Facebook while starting their day. Lunchtime peak, 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. users scroll while eating. Evening prime time, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. relaxation time equals more engagement. Avoid posting too early before 7 a.m. or too late after 10 p.m. because no one's awake to see it. Want to double your views? Use videos, polls, and engaging captions to make your posts unstoppable. And that's today's breaking time to post. Hit that like and follow button for more viral growth tips.